Copy Machina. Create high-converting, context-based, emotionally intelligent marketing copy in seconds in any niche or language, 10x your sales in 10x less time. And all it takes is just 3 simple steps. You can create powerful, emotional and high-converting copy that will skyrocket your traffic and sales. Step 1. Log in and select from our over 33 plus predefined, automated, copywriting templates for all your marketing needs. Step 2. Enter few keywords, select your preferences, creativity, emotional tone, and our AI will automatically generate your high-converting copy in seconds. Step 3. Use as or add your personal touch, make it unique, authentic, and watch your sales and traffic skyrocket. You don't have to break the bank or spend hours perfecting your copy. You can get it right the first time, every time with Copy Machina. Create as many copies as you need for all your marketing needs, blogs, websites, email marketing, ads, videos, social media posts, and more, without worrying about monthly fees eating away at your budget. See how easy it is to use Copy Machina. Watch demo below. Copy Machina will do all of the following and more for you. Awesome features. 100% cloud-based software. There is no need for you to install anything. Just sign up and you can access our software from anywhere on Earth. As long as there is an internet connection available, you are good to go. 33 plus copywriting templates so you can get started right away. Choose from our wide variety of copywriting templates to suit your specific needs. Our templates are designed to save you time while still delivering high-quality content. Whether you need copy for your blogs, websites, ads, social media posts, ecom products, or emails or just anything, we've got you covered. Custom copy generation that fits your brand and tone. With our custom copy generation feature, you can input your own ideas and preferences to create completely unique and authentic copy. This ensures that your content stands out from the rest and is tailored specifically for your target audience. Create anything else like cold emails, Instagram captions, LinkedIn headlines, YouTube titles, Twitter tweets, and much more. Multilingual support with over 35 plus languages. Reach global audience. Reach a global audience with our AI copy tool that supports over 35 languages. No matter where your target market is, our tool can help you connect with them through powerful, emotionally intelligent copy. Select the best tone of voice to connect with your audience emotionally. Our tone of voice selector allows you to choose from a range of emotional tones, whether it's empathy, urgency, excitement, or anything in between. This helps you establish a deeper connection with your audience and drive them to take action. Adjust length to fit any platform. Whether you need short and snappy copy for social media or longer, more detailed content for your website, our tool can adjust the length of the output to fit any platform. This saves you time and effort in editing or rewriting your copy to fit different platforms. Generate multiple number of outputs, because choices matter. Don't settle for just one output. With Copy Machina, you can generate multiple copies and choose the best one that fits your needs and preferences. This gives you the flexibility to experiment and find the perfect copy for your marketing campaign. Context-based copy for more relevance. Our context provider feature ensures that your copy is relevant and specific to your target audience. Provide accurate information, give more context, solve their pain points, and connect with them on a personal level, all through our AI-generated copy. Adjustable creativity level to match your brand's persona. Every brand has its own unique tone and persona, and Copy Machina allows you to adjust the creativity level to match your brand. This ensures that your copy is consistent with your brand's voice and resonates with your target audience. Built-in editor for last-minute touches and tweaks. Need to make some last-minute changes? Our built-in editor allows you to easily edit and perfect your copy before downloading or sharing it. This ensures that your final product is polished and professional. Document manager for easy organization. With Copy Machina, you can keep all of your copies organized in one place with our Document Manager feature. No more sifting through folders and files to find the copy you need. Stay organized and save time with our tool. Downloadable content for easy sharing and publishing. Once you've created the perfect copy, you can easily download it in various formats such as Word doc, HTML, or plain text. This makes it easy to share and publish on different platforms without any hassle. Turn simple words into mesmerizing, attention-grabbing images for blogs, websites, ads, and social posts. Visuals are a powerful tool in marketing, and with Copy Machina, you can easily turn simple words into stunning images for your blogs, websites, ads, and social media posts. This adds a new level of attention-grabbing power to your copy and helps you stand out from the competition. Select resolution, lightning type, mood, art style, and know of images required. Our AI will do the rest. Check out all our marketing templates here. Get blown away. Tool number 1. Post Title Generator. Get captivating post titles instantly with our title generator. Boost engagement and save time. Tool number 2. Summarize text. Effortlessly condense large text into shorter summaries. Save time and increase productivity. Tool number 3. Product description. Easily create compelling product descriptions that sell. Increase conversions and boost sales. Tool number 4. Article generator. Instantly create unique articles on any topic. Boost engagement, improve SEO, and save time. Tool number 5. Product name generator. Create catchy product names with ease. Attract customers and boost sales effortlessly. Tool number 6. Testimonial review. Instantly generate authentic testimonials. Build trust and credibility with genuine reviews. Tool number 7. Problem Agilate solution. Identify and solve problems efficiently. Streamline solutions and increase productivity. Tool number 8. Blog section. Effortlessly create blog sections with AI. Get unique, engaging content and save time. Tool number 9. Blog post ideas. Unlock your creativity with unique blog post ideas. Generate endless inspiration and take your content to the next level. Tool number 10. Blog intros. Set the tone for your blog post with captivating intros. Grab readers' attention and keep them engaged. Tool number 11. Blog conclusion. End your blog posts on a high note. Craft memorable conclusions that leave a lasting impact. Tool number 12. Facebook ads. Create high-converting Facebook ads that grab attention. Drive sales and grow your business. Tool number 13. YouTube video description. Elevate your YouTube content with compelling video descriptions. Generate engaging descriptions effortlessly and increase views. Tool number 14. YouTube video title. Get more views with attention-grabbing video titles. Create unique, catchy titles that entice viewers. Tool number 15. YouTube video tag. Improve your YouTube video's discoverability with relevant video tags. Boost views and engagement. Tool number 16. Instagram captions. Elevate your Instagram game with captivating captions. Generate captions that engage followers and increase your reach. Tool number 17. Instagram hashtags. Boost your Instagram reach with relevant hashtags. Generate optimal, trending hashtags and increase your visibility. Tool number 18. Social media post tweet. Make an impact with every tweet. Generate attention-grabbing social media posts and increase engagement. Tool number 19. Social media post business. Generate a text for your business social media networks. Maximize your social media presence with impactful business posts. Tool number 20. Facebook headlines. Get noticed with attention-grabbing Facebook headlines. Generate unique, clickable headlines that increase engagement and drive traffic. Tool number 21. Google Ads headlines. Create high-converting Google Ads with captivating headlines. Generate unique, clickable ads that drive traffic and boost sales. Tool number 22. Google Ads description. Step up your Google ad game, craft high-converting ad copy that grabs attention and drives sales. Tool number 23. Paragraph Generator. Generate a paragraph with keywords and description. Never struggle with writer's block again. Generate flawless paragraphs that captivate readers. Tool number 24. Pros and cons. Make informed decisions with ease. Generate unbiased pros and cons lists that help you weigh options and make better choices. Tool number 25. Meta description. Get more clicks with compelling meta descriptions. Generate unique, SEO-friendly meta descriptions that attract customers and boost traffic. Tool number 26. FAQ Generator, all datas. Quickly create helpful FAQs. Our AI-powered generator provides custom responses to common questions in seconds. Tool number 27. Email Generator. Generate an email with your subject and description. Streamline your inbox and save time. Tool number 28. Email Answer Generator. Effortlessly tackle your overflowing inbox with custom, accurate responses to common queries, freeing you up to focus on what matters most. Tool number 29. Newsletter Generator. Generate engaging newsletters easily with personalized content that resonates with your audience, driving growth and engagement. Tool number 30. Grammar Correction. Eliminate grammar errors and enhance your writing with ease. Our tool offers seamless grammar correction for flawless content. Tool number 31. TLDR Summarization. Automatically summarize long texts into bite-sized summaries with this TLDR generator. Tool number 32. AI Image Generator. Create stunning images in seconds. Tool number 33. Custom Generation. Create your own custom generator with AI. Our app allows you to quickly and easily generate unique content in any language. Say hello to Copy Machina, your ultimate solution for success in the world of marketing.